Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to change the position of text on your video on Pictory. So let's get started. So to discover the power of precision with Pictory's text positioning feature, now you can effortlessly change the position of text on your video scenes. Here's how. On the storyboard, click on the text box you wish to edit. A menu will appear for text editing. Within this menu, you will find a grid icon. This icon unlocks the key to various text positions you can choose from. Pictory offers you 9 unique positions to select from. Each position ensures precise alignment for your text. Remember, the alignment of your text depends on the position you choose. Opt for positions on the left and your text aligns left. It's that intuitive. But wait, there's more. If you crave creative control, simply use your mouse to drag the text box anywhere you desire. With Pictory's innovative text positioning, your video message finds its perfect spot. Express yourself effortlessly and captivate your audience. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.